A lovely little engine in this car. When I say little, I mean it's a 3-litre engine, but little in dimensions. I mean it's a V12, but it's very neatly packaged. It's a very pretty engine. A lot of engines can be quite bulbous and bits sticking out of them and all this sort of stuff, but it's just lovely. It's got these 2 rocket covers, long, elegant rocket covers on each side with 3 Weber carburetors sitting on top. It's not a particularly heavy engine.
No, well that's the thing. Like it's a 12-cylinder 3-litre engine with 3 carburetors and a single camshaft per bank, and it's lighter than.
Why am I talking about all the elegant stuff?
It's
and you're
lighter
talking
than
about
a
the
twin
specs?
cam 6-cylinder XK Jaguar engine, which goes an enormous way
Yeah.
to basically sum up where Ferrari were in the 50s and early 60s.
Yeah.
They were, you know, the year before that GTE was built, Ferrari won the World Championship in Formula One, albeit with a V8, not with a V12, but they were the doyen of engineering in that time.
The one thing with Ferraris is you can say the engine is almost the best bit of the car.
Probably fair.
For me, the technical aspect of it, the engines in Ferraris are sensational.
Yeah, the thing about a 250 or even a 275 that is quite shocking or surprising is that if you've gone through a childhood of being enthusiastic about them, when you're a kid and you read about cars and you clearly can't drive them because you're too young, and then you finally meet your heroes, as they say, and sometimes you're let down, but when you climb aboard a car like a 250 and you do all the things, you know, you rotate the key 180 degrees and you hear the fuel pumps click out, and then you push the key in to spin the starter, and the engine basically catches and comes to life, and then you think, oh my God, this is where all the hard stuff starts, you know? But that was where I was shocked. It has a better gear shift than anything exotic in English at the time.
The gearbox is
sensational.
Yeah.
It's just a delight to use.
Yeah.
It's not an easy car. It's an easy car to drive if you've driven a lot of cars, but it's not a car that you'd hand the keys to anybody and say, go down the shops for me, because it's not that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.